Hey, we here with another video, yeah. We here with another video. Video. Are y'all ready? Are you ready? Are y'all ready? Are you ready? Y'all ready? Cause I am. Alright. So, first thing first. Let me show y'all my shoes. Okay, these are shoes that I had ordered of Shein a while back, and they're so cute. But I haven't worn them. Like I've been wearing these for the past. I've been wearing these right here, which is pretty much like, I think they're black, but my dogs tear all of them. But these right here, what I'm about to wear. Like, take a good look. Aren't they cute? Cuties. Let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so I gotta open it first. So 1 second. Ooh. Sorry, y'all. I just seen something I don't like already. But oh well, we're gonna try them anyway. So, let's get into this video. First of all, how y'all day was? That's good. And even if it wasn't that good, at least you're still here and you're still alive. Get through it day by day, step by step. Alright. Video now. So first we have, oh by the way, this is the Korean snack box, because last time I did the Mexican candy. I think I did another one, I don't remember, but I know I did the Mexican candy for sure, which I wasn't really pleased with. So now this is the Korean snack box, which is completely different, so hopefully we got some good things. I don't like sweet potatoes. And this is sweet potatoes. That's that. I don't understand that. Ugh. Why did I do that? I don't know why I did that. Alright. Y'all, I don't think you're gonna like these. This is how it looks. It looks like this. Alright, let's try it. It's not bad, actually. It's not bad. I don't think it would be something that I would eat. It's actually pretty good. Yes, we're gonna try this. This is a crispy roll. Alright, so I got this. I think it's banana flavored. Banana. It's this right here. So that is, I'm gonna try it. Look how it looks. It's a roll, really, like, I don't know why I smell food before I eat. That's a, oh my gosh. Okay. It so gets stuck to your teeth though. It's not bad at all. It's super good. It just gets stuck to your teeth. That's just good. Alright, on to the next. So we have this stick barley snack. Stick barley snack. My bad. I know you're not. Let's see how this right here tastes. It reminds me of that cereal. This is good. On to the next. Don't know what it is, but we're gonna find out when I open the box. We'll be surprised. We'll all be surprised. Let's see. Please don't tell me this is what I think it is. It look like this. Excuse my nails, man. But look. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think I can do this. It's the texture of it. Oh, hell no. Y'all, it don't taste like nothing, and it's the texture of it I can't do. I can't do that. It's the texture of it that I'm just refusing. Alright, let's move on to feel like some crackers or some cookies that's in this thing right here. Let's try that. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, there's some crackers. I can't tell what flavor it is. They good though. Thumbs up. Alright, so we got this next. Don't know what that is. We got that next. Oh, it's a cookie. Interesting cookie, look. That's how it looks. I gotta hide my nails because I know y'all gonna get on me. It has chocolate in the middle. It's not bad. I'm gonna start rating them from 1 to 10. This is a 5. This is another type of cookie. I think that's how it looks on the inside right here. Like that. So let's try it. It's pretty. Well, it looked pretty until I thought it was... My dumb self was looking at it and seeing sparkles. But it's just the holes in the cookies. It don't taste like anything. It really don't. Wait. See, with these cookies, you gotta keep chewing and chewing and chewing, and then you feel the taste. Alright, let's try something else. I already know I ain't gonna like this. I'm already knowing I ain't gonna like this. This is a French pie, and I'm not a huge fan of pies. I don't like pie, y'all. Look. I'm not gonna open it all the way, but I don't like pie, but I'm gonna try it anyway just for y'all. It's like jelly right now. It's like jelly and bread. It's not bad. It's bad, but I'm good. Not bad though. Okay, this is another pie. And they both the same, so I'm gonna just try one. I don't like pie. It's alright. I'll give it a 3. Actually a 2. Maybe a 1. They got this right here. White hazelnut. What this is, I don't know, but they feel like some sticks. So it might be good. Let's just see. Yeah, see, look, they look like this. They're just some sticks. Can y'all see it good? There we go. That's how they look. Let's see. What them things called? Remind me of those. I feel good. This is good. This is a 10 out of 10. Let's try one of these. This is how it looks. Looks like that. Yeah, so the crumbs just poof. It's not bad. It's different, but it ain't bad. Butter waffles of Crown. That's what it says. It's butter waffles of Crown. Let's see. Okay. These are actually, I think these are like at that smoothie place. That like fruity smoothie. Those are. Like the smoothie place got a little. That is more like bread. This is a cookie. It's good though. 10 out of 10 must try again. In the world. We got seaweed, y'all. Yeah. Hold up. Oh, they gave me face mask. Look at that. I got 2 of them. Let's try some seaweed. I've had seaweed before, and they're really good. Alright, so let's try some celery. Shoot. I'm trying to show y'all it, but kind of broke off. So let's try that seaweed. You gotta put the whole thing in your mouth too, because if you don't, it'll taste weird. Okay. Y'all, I was not expecting for that to happen, but let me explain what just happened to me. Okay, so when I put the seaweed in my mouth, as I started to chew it, the spiciness occurred, right, and just took over for at least 3 seconds, or however many seconds it just took. But it was a spiciness. And then once I got to the end of trying to hurry up and, let it dissolve in my mouth, it went away. Yeah, I don't like the seaweed. Alright, we're gonna try this rice stuff. It's rice, cinnamon, crack. Yeah, but it's not crack. It's just rice stuff. That's what we're gonna try next. I don't think y'all can see the name. Yeah, you can. That's what we're gonna try next. It's too big. Oh. That's how it looks. There we go. Oh, hell no. And now it's finna lick my finger. Oh no. But we have this too. We got Choco Boy. Got that. Let's try it. This stuff is nasty. Okay, these are like mushrooms. Look, they look like little mushrooms. They're cute. They're really cute. Okay. It's just like the little sticks in Nutella. That's what it tastes like. That's what it is. This is an orange custard. It feels like a marshmallow because it's so like custardy. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, it feels. It looks like it looks like cornbread. Let's see. Oh, it got cream in the milk. It's not bad. I just don't like the cream thing. I give it an 8. Okay, we're gonna try this because this is different. This is the last thing we're gonna try. we're gonna try. Like, y'all can try this. Me. Alright, so this is, I guess, apple soy milk. Yeah, I've not ever had this in my entire life, but we're gonna try it, I guess. I hope this is good. Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold on. Give me. Hold up. Wait a minute. Y'all. I mean, I could drink this whole thing. This is good. This is so good. Like, this is a 10 out of 10. Well, guys, sadly, I'm so sad. This is the end of this video. But, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank y'all for, looking at my craziness and my different expressions when I eat different foods and snacks. Share my videos everywhere, because y'all finna see me way more. Okay? So, let's get this thing started. And, yeah, I'll put everything up in the description below. I'll put my Instagram, my Snapchat, and that's about it. Instagram and Snapchat. Y'all have a great one. Keep your heads up no matter what you're going through. Take it day by day and do not give up ever. You can do it. So get yourself up, keep your head up, held high, and keep on walking and take it day by day. Be who you are, just like I'm being who I am. And if they don't like it, then they can go ahead and go. Like, you can leave, because there's no better time for that. I'm telling you. But y'all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching my video. I probably said that like 5 times, but thanks again for watching my video. And yeah, I will see y'all in the next one. Have a good day and see y'all in the next video. Why did I just look high? Okay, we're gonna do that again. See y'all in the next video.